Welcome back to my channel. I just thought about this right now. So I'll be turning 25 on 22nd of May, which is in almost 19 days because it's 3rd of May today, and I'll be getting like 2 weekends before it. So this weekend and next weekend. So sorry for that. Anyways, so either I can just spend those sleeping in, which I usually do because I work whole day and then whole week and whole day also, or I can go out and do things I've always wanted to do. So first on the list there were three plans today. So either I was supposed to go to Bandra, but I was not in the mental capacity to go. Second was to go to the beach. That also I have to stop for today at least. So right now I am heading to Manish Market, which is in Andheri, and there's this new momo place. I've been there like twice, but I have a really very huge craving to go there again. I have a lot about Manish Market from my sisters, basically my cousins and everyone. But I'm not a shopping person if you tell me. I think shopping is a chore for me. So if I need something, I just buy it and I'm just done. Heading out to Manish Market and then Baswam. So yeah, this is my outfit. And I hope I find something good there. ये भी यार बुलवा रहे, लेकिन थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा कम घेरा रहेगा वैसा. Was my outfit of the day, and just a basic top and jeans, and we are back. So a basic top, and this top is from Zudio and these trousers are from Mintra. I don't. So this is the first top I got. It's white and it's pure cotton. It has the stripes. Looks literally very good. So yeah. So this is the second top I've got. It has this lacy detailing and yeah, it's kind of formal and semi-formal. The third dress I've gotten, it has this shell detailing and it's so cute. And it's like this, like, so it's really cute. It's blue and white and it's all summery. So these are three outfits I've got. Just let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Today I went to the shopping and it was a really good, like wonderful day. Like the momos were so good. My Instagram was filled with reviews and it was literally the best momos I've ever had, literally in Mumbai at least. And then I went to the beach and then I went to Manish Market and it was really good. Like I found cute pieces there and it was really like everything was cotton and it was summery and you could get everything in like one or two shops and it was really good. The collection was really good. And then I went to the beach and it was so good. And then today I did not had any plans, but then I ended up going to the beach again, so I've taken a videos and I'll just add those also. And so this is my like ending. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just try to vlog the last weekend before I turn 25 also. And actually I'm vlogging simultaneously a lot of things. I'm still vlogging my book review for Frida McFadden books, and then this, but I'll just put this weekend, like the last weekend vlog first, and then the next weekend vlog, or maybe in between I can put, because I'm just really trying, because it's like I'm just turning 25, so every goal of mine is just hitting me that I should do things I've actually wanted in my life and pursue what I want. So this is your sign to do whatever you wanted in your life. Just do it, because the time never waits for you. So at least try to do it, whether or not it turns out good or great, or whatever the results are. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a great weekend. And if you just go around Manish Market or any beaches, just drop a comment below. Thank you.